Hi guys, good morning! It's been what, 4 months since my last upload. So before I get on today's activities, share ko lang, I have been super duper busy with life. Pero today magsi-staycation kami ng mga sisters ko. O nga pala, it's Holy Week this week, kaya we have days off. So we decided this weekend, today's a Saturday, to have a chill staycation lang. Chill family time. Pero yun nga, ang daming, hindi naman sa madaming ganap yung life ko lately, pero I have just been busy working around life in general. Big life update, I'm currently working na. I started working nung Feb and now I'm almost 2 months in. Ang masasabi ko talaga, iba talaga ang working life. Ewan ko, I don't know. I feel like mas nagmamature ako lately. Yeah, I don't know. Pero ayun, I started working na kaya I haven't been really posting anything or been doing anything during my days off or like weekends off. I make sure to hang out with my friends. Super pinaprioritize ko pa rin yun. I'm still trying to adjust working and seeing how I really feel about where I'm working, if I'm happy, and so far, masaya naman ako. And it's nice na I'm doing things on my own and figuring things out on my own, day by day, little by little, ganon. Pero ayun, just a little quick, big life update. Yun lang naman yung pinaka-big change. Okay guys, so I just finished getting ready, so I'll show you a quick fit check. I think this top is from Shein. It's like a wraparound top. And then you can tie a bow here. And then for my skirt, I got this off from TikTok shop, really affordable. And then for my shoes, I just have like this baby doll Mary Jane type of shoes. And then for my purse, just this brown bag, just to keep it all neutral. I also packed my stuff na din. It's all in here. Makeup, clothes, swimsuit, skincare, everything is in here. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. For today's itinerary, pupunta kaming Makati muna. We're going to have brunch there. Tapos after nun, dediretso na kami sa pagsistayan namin. It's around MOA. I think it's called Lime Hotel.
Nag-vlog na naman siya.
Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Makati. Yung dapat daming kakainan, ang daming tao. We're going to go to a backup plan na na-search lang din namin right now. Pupuntahan kasi dapat namin is yung Black Bean.
Blackbird.
Yeah.
Blackbird by the beach.
Kasi madaming tao. Yung waiting time niya is like 30-40 minutes. Look at my burger. It's huge. This is a Wagyu burger. Taste test. Sige, kunin mo na siya. Wow, that's strong. Spinach mushroom. Very light. Just finished eating. Pabalik na kami sa Pabalik na kami sa kotse. I rate the food place. I rate it a 7.
Hello mga Lorraine May!
Ang baka random. Ka-Lorraine May yung putik. Yung pangit. Anyways, hindi ako natuwa sa kape. Will I go back? Probably not.
It's too pricey.
For the serving, malaki yung serving.
Malaki, oo.
Halo na siya eh. More on American side siya na may mga inalong mga fusion.
But for the price and the taste.
It's okay. It's like a one-time thing. Feeling ko spot yun ng mga talagang mga foreigners.
Oo, feeling ko din.
Marami pang ibang spots na maganda.
May tulog na bata.
Hi guys! guys! Andito na kami sa Lime Hotel. And right now, nakiki-roomie ako kanila. Kasi may problem sa room namin. Depressing yung room namin, kaya nakiki-room muna ako kasi inaayos sila Ate Ay. Andito kami sa Lime Hotel. Ay, hindi mali.
Wala kami sa Lime Hotel.
We're at the
Lemon Hotel.
Lime Resort
Sa
Manila.
Calamansi Hotel ko.
Malapit lang kami sa mall.
Hindi mo yun
literal.
sure.
Katabi namin yung Dolomite Beach.
Totoo yan. Pakita mo yung Dolomite Beach.
It's right there. It's literally there. Brought with me mahiwagang cards. Kasi magto-tom its kami. Nagpalipat ng room sila Ate Ay. Eh, kasama ko sila sa room. Pwede bang lumipat video, guys? Ang laki ng room. I think this is
What
a
if sa
master...
floor na lang ako?
It's upgraded to Premier. Kasi yung room namin kanina, it was very depressing. Tapos walang window. Look at the bed. It's huge. 1, 2. Nag-upgrade sila kasi gusto na nila.
Hindi kasi first staycation ni Alex. Gusto ko comfy siya.
May kondila.
Alex! And it was
Tapos
What's that? There's free popcorn and ice cream. And it's being served now dito sa penthouse. Ice cream. Why is it green? Popcorn. It's free. Hanggang 5 p.m. lang siya. It's vanilla. But why is it green? It is golden hour moment. Look at the sunset. So pretty. Look at that. It's in the palm of my hand. Look at it. So pretty. So pretty. Love sunsets and sunrise. There's silang shot. Very millennial. Di ba very millennial?
Bakit? Ito na yung best ni David. Ito na yung best niya. Wala na tayong magagawa pa.
Bakit tumatawa si Ay?
kasi ganyan din si Mark. Sabi ko, bakit nakaganda?
The bar side area is right here. Come on, you cannot beat this view.
Pagod ako. Hirap. Hirap.
Sa'yo, Kuya Mark.
The vlog didn't see it, but we had a very heated debate. Kilala mo kung sino yung may kasalanan ng debate? Ayan o. Yan siya. During the debate, he kept adding fuel to the fire. They both waved the white flag. Di ba, Kuya David?
Kanya pala.
Yan.
Ako sila.
Before dinner argument. This is my plate. It's gonna be so good. Tahong. Cheesy tahong. Mm. Mm. Pampano. Mm. Ah, ang fresh ng pampano. So good. Vegetable kare-kare. It's all good. We're back here in the hotel. We went to 7-Eleven kanina to buy drinks. I'm wearing shades kasi mambubulabog kasi ako kasi mag-start na kaming uminom. Hello! No! I'm bringing the party here! I'm bringing the party here! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Okay, ngayon wala si Lorraine, so iahak natin yung kanyang vlog. Hi everyone! Hi mga ka-Lorraine May! Hi mga ka-Lorraine May! Kamusta kayo? Walang tao. Hindi ako naniniwala sa ganyan. Sino yan? Sino to? Sino to? Si The Magic Bird. Wala ko.
Kasi naman, hindi tuloy ako makabone.
Takad na takad sa rito.
Wala na.
Naiya na siya.
Nakatayo pa ko naman.
Naiya siya. Ay, ano sa dad? Ano ba, tatay? Daddy. Ano sa dad? Dad?
Ika, you done. Malabas yung...
Hindi naman nagtutulog.
Hindi.
Mayawa ka.
Kasi ang ganito.
Ganun din, pero wala yung biga.
Pag very agitated daw.
4 of a kind. So, kung nakakuha ka ng 4 na
Wala na
ace,
ulit. Ba't kailangan
Ang full
nyo
house,
ng ano dito?
3,
Chaser?
tapos 2 parehas.
Iyaan ko sila kuya. First game, poker. Race to 20?
Ito, 40? Sure ka?
Oh, 40 daw.
Wala pang nilalabas ha. Oo nga,
nga, wala pang nilalabas.
Wala pa.
Wala, mayabang kami ni David. Bakit?
Ikaw, Cynthia.
Uy, nagmura ka ba?
Wala ate ay.
Tapos na?
Wala na tayo
Pwede ka pa mag-raise.
Pareho si David tsaka si Ai.
Napanalo?
Kasi 8 yung highest eh.
Hati-hati tayo, hati-hati.
Hindi, wala ka Cynthia.
Ano ka?
Hindi ka.
Maganda tong card sculpture ako.
Oh, laban mo yan.
Wala ba?
Kapag mo na.
Parang hindi pa na nagkata.
Ikaw yung nag-raise kasi, 100 daw.
Ayoko na, fold. Laban na po to ng Tres Maria. Sino ang mananalo?
Ate ay magre-raise ka pa ba?
Pwede mag-check ka na lang. Mag-check ka na, Ay. Tama na.
Ay.
Akin na lang yung... Uy! Ano yan? Bakit may isa saan?
Ganyan siya confident, ibig sabihin.
I-fold ko to, hayop.
Isa sa inyong dalawa. Isa...
Hindi ko mananalo ko. Sige, all in.
Sure ka, Cynthia?
Hindi. Mag-in lang isang daan. Huwag ka mag-all in. Tanga-tanga naman eh.
Tapos, oh yan, show niyo yung
Oh,
card niyo.
talo ka na rin. Dalawang alas, Kuya Mark, oh. Ang ganda sa ano yun.
Panalo ako.
Parang si ate ay niyo, full house.
Kasalanan mo to.
Alam mo kung kailan ang ganda ng nakuha kong cards? Ang ganda lang sa kanya.
Sabi ko na sa inyo, mag-point na kayo. Kanina ko pa sinasabi.
Wala na akong pera.
Wala ko lang oh.
Pag magre-raise ka.
Ay, 120 naman. Pwede kapatid mo naman kami.
100.
Good morning! Ilex! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning, Pogi!
Quick fit check. This cardigan is from my sister, Ate Sin. This dress is from Ate Ai. The shoes given by Ate Sin. This is my bag. Cute, cute. Hi guys! It's already almost our checkout. Aalis na kami in a bit. After breakfast, mambay kami sa pool part kanina. Na-overwhelm ako. Ang daming tao. So, just decided to take pictures by the pool. That's it. We slept around like 2 a.m. No, 3 a.m. na. We played pa. And we had a good discussion. After inom discussion, it was a good talk. So, then woke up for breakfast, which you saw kanina. I was with Dim. Tapos now, we're going to check out. This is the view. This is the last look of this view. It's a pretty hot day. It's a good day. Happy Easter! Happy Easter! Woo! Bye Lime Hotel or Lime Resort. It was a good stay.